Okay, good morning everyone. So today I would like you to explain about one of the function of sales report. So about the system activity log. Okay, the system activity log is important usually when it comes to POS or point of sale because this function is to record about the transactions being happen in the point of sale system or the POS system. So to start with, I would like to click the system activity log. So in the system activity log, we can see about the system, different type of users, then from and to. So the purpose of this is uh, to filter the date as well as the users who are accessing the system. No? So for example, so this is the default. So date and time, username and activity. So the purpose of this is to log what are the transactions or activity being performed inside the system. No? So the manager or the in charge of this in business is trying to access this system logs to check, no, especially when it comes to transaction, when it comes to tracing the instruction from the system. No, it is about the transaction happen in the system. So in system activity log, so we can filter about the users. No, example this one from no example from 1 July 1 until to desk, no, from example July 14. So from July 1 until July 14. Then right after choosing the filtered day, so all we have to do is to click the filter, no filter. So the system will generate what are the things, what are the possible transactions or activity that this particular user is accessing the system. So that is one of the purpose of activity log. So as you have seen, the system activity log generated, no, what are the things or activity doing by the user. For example, this one, so view daily sales. Then two, this is for cashier. So this is about the transaction, no? The purpose of this system activity log is to record what are the activity or transaction being done inside the system. Okay, so that's all for this morning. Uh, thank you for watching about the system activity log, one of the features of the POS system.